welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get access to Canva Pro, which means you can have the Pro version for free without paying any amount of money. Before I go into it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like my videos so that you'll be the first to get notified when I upload similar video like this. Let's get into it. Open any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome here. Click on it. Search for Bingo Tingo. Click on the Bingo Tingo. It's going to bring you to a page like this. Click on how to get Canva. Once you click on how to get Canva, it's going to take you to a page like this. Now scroll down. So you see a page, download free guide how to use Canva, stuff like that. You cannot download the file in 50 something seconds now. So you wait till this second get to 0. Sure you get. You're going to wait till it gets to 0. So let's wait till it gets to 0. So now it has gotten to 0 and it is going to bring a button here. Click here to download. So once you click on it, it is going to redirect you to Canva. So let's click on it. As you can see, I've downloaded the Canva app on my phone already. So it's going, even if you don't download it on your phone, it's going to redirect you to Canva itself. Can you see now? It redirects me to Canva now. The Canva is loading. Can you see now? It's loading the Canva Pro already. So let's click on let's go to mobile videos. Oh, sorry, I pressed back with mistake. So let's click on mobile video. I'm kind of having a slow internet connection here. You can see now this is Pro. This is a Pro version, which means you have to pay for you to access this Pro version of the video. But I'm going to click on it now and it's going to work because of the way I show you to get access to Canva Pro. Now let's click on it. So can you see now it actually loads the page for me because I've actually have access to the Canva Pro. So I can edit the video anyhow I want. There are many other ways for you to get the Canva Pro actually, but this is one of the easiest way. This one is so easy. Thanks for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe and comment on my video. Thanks. See you in another video.